Hello, myself Saurabh Naskar, Assistant Professor of Chemistry at Kargi Memorial Institute of Technology. In my previous lecture, I discussed about thermodynamics. Today, I will discuss corrosion chemistry. First, we have to know what is the definition of corrosion. It is a natural process which converts a refined metal to a more chemically stable form, such as its oxide, hydroxide, or sulfide. It is the gradual destruction of materials by chemical or electrochemical reaction with their environment. So, in this process, let's say aluminium is converted to aluminium oxide. So, aluminium become corroded by the environmental oxygen to form a layer of aluminium oxide. So, this process will be called corrosion process. There are two types of corrosion process. First one is dry corrosion, second one is wet corrosion. Dry corrosion will happen in dry condition and wet corrosion will happen in wet condition. So I will discuss dry corrosion. When a metal is exposed to dry environment, the corrosion of metal occurs due to the direct attack of oxygen or corrosive gases such as chlorine or sulfur dioxide. So, possible reason for dry corrosion are: first one is oxidative corrosion. Metals are attacked by dry oxygen under extreme condition such as low temperature or high temperature, leading to the oxidation type of corrosion. So here oxygen will take part in oxidative corrosion. Second one is corrosion by gases. Certain gases like sulfur dioxide or chlorine can attack the metal in the absence of moisture, and the extent of corrosion depends on the formation of thin film, which may be protective or non-protective on the surface of metal. And the last one is liquid metal corrosion. So this type of corrosion is caused due to the chemical reaction of solid metal with a flowing liquid metal at high temperature. So this type of corrosion is due to oxygen. That's why this is called oxidative corrosion. This type of corrosion is due to the certain gases like chlorine, sulfur dioxide that will react with metal, and this type of corrosion is due to the reaction of solid metal with liquid metal. And all the three types of corrosions are in the category of dry corrosion. Now we will learn wet corrosion. This corrosion takes place in an aqueous corrosive environment. So the condition must be wet condition, not dry condition. Possible reason for wet corrosions are: a metal is in contact with an acid solution, so condition is wet condition. Second condition is dissimilar metals are dipped partially in corrosive environment. These two are the reason for wet corrosions. Now we will learn filling bed oath rule. The protective or non-protective oxide layer formation in metals is governed by this rule. This rule means this one. This rule stated that if the volume of the oxide is equal to or greater than the volume of the metal, then the oxide layer will be non-porous, and therefore the oxide layer will be protective in nature. Whereas if the volume of the oxide is less than the volume of the metal, then the oxide layer will be porous and therefore non-protective in nature. So let's say one example, aluminium and aluminium oxide. If the volume of the aluminium oxide is equal or greater than the aluminium, then the oxide layer means aluminium oxide layer will be non-porous and therefore protective in nature. And if you have volume of the aluminium oxide is less than aluminium, then this oxide layer will be porous and non-protective in nature. This is the Pelling-Beth rule. Now, factors influences the rate of corrosions. First one is nature of metals. If you have a metals with low reduction potential, this will cause more reactivity and hence are more prone to corrosion. So metals with low reduction potential will lead to more corrosion. Second one is electrode potential difference. Larger the electrode potential difference, higher will be the rate of corrosion. Then third one is surface state of the metal. If part of the surface is covered by oil, higher will be the rate of corrosion. Hydrogen over voltage. A metal with low hydrogen over voltage on its surface is more susceptible for corrosion. And pH in general, lower pH of corrosion medium, higher is the corrosion rate. And if you increases the temperature, then rate of corrosion will increase. So lower pH and higher temperature will increases the rate of corrosion. And if you have a metal like low reduction potential and having larger potential difference, then rate of corrosion will be higher. And if the metal is covered by some oil on its surface, then rate of corrosion will be higher. And a metal with low hydrogen over voltage on its surface, in that case corrosion will be higher. In my next lecture, I will discuss water chemistry. Thank you.